Hey guys, here's the second update, and literally it's like all gone. Wow. You can see the old back wall paint. Wow. Looks like they already flattened the road by where Arby's was completely. There's basically nothing remaining of Kmart. Oh my god, are those the letters right there? Oh wow. We'll get a shot out the side window if you can open that one. We'll go through. Sorry guys, we're into the car. Here's all the destruction. You're good, go ahead. It's literally worse than yesterday.
Checkout lights are there.
Where?
Did you see them?
Oh my god, are they?
Did you see them?
Oh, I do see them. Wow.
You should wide angle that so you can see them.
Oh my, that's sad. See those things, those boxes hanging on the thing right there? Let me zoom that, sorry. Those would be the checkout lights. And they're literally still in there.
Hanging.
You can keep driving.
Look at that old back wall.
That's what I said, isn't that old?
Yeah, that's the old Kmart colors.
God.
Look at that.
They did, wow.
Wow.
Sorry about the bad view, guys. I'm gonna zoom back out because if I have to, I'll shoot this on my regular camera in a minute to see if it will give you guys better stabilization. Sorry, it's not the best stabilization, but wow. There is literally like nothing left of Kmart at all. That is old wall back there. I can't believe it. Lights. Okay, guys, we'll be right back. Okay, guys, we're doing this on the iPhone 11 Pro long, like, whatever they call it. Wide angle. Look at that, and then checkout lights are hanging in there. You can see them. Yeah, that's a lot better view. I should have used this stuff before. You want to pull up a little more? I'll do a drive past. The only thing really remaining is the old Big Lots. You can see the back wall, back right here, up front here where all this debris is. This would have been the technology department, and I believe the former Kmart. Oh my god, look at that desk chair that's sitting right there. I guarantee that came from inside Kmart. Garden Center is still standing too, actually. Auto Center's completely gone. Oh, the garage doors are still there. So right here in this corner where I'm pointing, this would have been the technology department. As we're passing now, this across right here would have been the Auto Center. As you guys can see, the garage doors are still standing. The former Penske Auto Center. The garden shop prison yard gate is completely ripped off. And that would have been the garden shop where they just replaced doors, which they probably shouldn't have done just because that's probably a waste of money after they were tearing it down anyway. But it's pretty bad. They ripped the one door off. Someone's back here. Sorry about that person's radio, guys. Okay, it's fine. But there's the back. They were like dug out this concrete. You see that too? Okay, well, there's the back, guys. The back emergency door's open. We're gonna switch windows in a minute. There's the former garden shop. This wide lens is actually really nice. And there's the awning up there, what's left of it. Like I said, this is very different than yesterday. They did a lot of work today, obviously. Because like this much wasn't gone, and Kmart's like completely gone now, and that's very sad. We can. We're gonna try to run around the other side. I don't know if the construction fences are gonna block us off, and if they do, they do. Yeah, I just don't know if that black fence is blocking it off because of the... Remember, they tore down the other thing, too? Okay, guys, I'm gonna pause this video because I don't want to get all these people's license plates. Here's our side view, guys. This is all the rubble behind this fence from what was the car wash that I never got to film. I've like fenced it off completely, but how? got it all the way up to this business, so we'll pause again. This is our behind the building view of Kmart in Seven Hills. And I guess Big Lots / Kmart Foods. They have the doors propped open. Are we loud? Yeah, oh, there's people here, so I'll just get my view over the hill. I just don't want to get in trouble for trespassing. Hey guys, here's the side. That would have been a garden shop over there. We're just walking through the back here. And that's their fronts down there. You see all the doors are open over here. There's a view inside that one. It's actually a beautiful day out here in Cleveland, Ohio area. 60 degrees and it feels great even for now, and the sun's still out too, so not for much longer, but still nice for this area compared to a couple weeks ago. Yeah, I guess so. That's a good point. They have like, I said it was like something tar paper. That's for what. It's really getting dark in there, but go. There you guys go. There, perfect view. Oh yeah, I totally forgot I could be taking pictures with this phone now too. As I film. I should be doing that more. It has the option now up there. They just literally started tearing this down like a week ago and it's like almost gone. They don't mess around. I don't know if I can get a shot inside that door. That would be over here, the roof and what's left of the building. Oh, there we go, that's a better shot. I was trying to get it from back there. Mostly to see the front. There's the doors over there. There's that's how you're gonna do it from the back view here. We'll probably get one more as we drive by, but there we go. Here's the drive-by with the street sign up front. And there's that was Arby's. This would have been Burger King that they couldn't get torn down, and there's a random guy in my shot. Hello, good sir. But anyway, guys, that'll about do it. Please leave a like on this video and a comment, and subscribe for more content, and check out the social media below. Thanks for watching, and we'll try to get back here next week with another update. Bye, guys.